Nature Cat, how dare you to replace and remove others PBS Kids shows. That's it, you're grounded, 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 grounded. 4838928492974927394918994 8373928394710193729184847299292 years, and go to your fucking room right shit now.
I fucking hate you. I'm gonna tell Ronald.
Yes, I ground Nature Cat. He deserves it for bad shit show.
Hey Ronald, Peter Griffin, he just ground me for no reason. Would you please ground him?
Absolutely not. Nature the fucking shit cat. You deserve it. For having terrible show on PBS Kids. That's fucking it. You're grounded, grounded, grounded. Until you die in the fire pit. And go to your fucking room. Right shit now.
Why
Peter Griffin, thank you for grounding Nature Cat. He deserves it for having the terrible baby show. You may go home right now. I will call your wife.
Yes, and thank you.
Peter Griffin. Thank you for grounding to Nature Cat. He deserves it for having terrible baby show. You're ungrounded. You can do whatever you want.
Yes, and thank you, my beautiful wife, and let's go to Chuck E. Cheese.